All right, here I have our key to our 2007 Honda Pilot. About a month ago or so, we would put the key in the ignition to turn it, and it wasn't turning. We were able to get it to go a few times, but unfortunately, it just stopped working. As you can kind of tell, I mean, the key is very old. It's had many years of usage, and it just, it's been worn. So we called a gentleman who specializes in automobile locksmithing. He came by. Was able to repair the ignition in the vehicle as well, and also cut us a new key. Just over time, these things get old and they need to be replaced. He only charged us about $200 or so, which isn't bad compared if you go to the dealership or whatnot. They're going to charge you, $500, $600, $700 or so. So it wasn't that bad. So we were pretty grateful for that. But once again, if you run into these type of symptoms where you just put the key in and it's not turning, more than likely it's your ignition or just a combination of both just being worn out. So, you can go ahead and get that repaired. Pretty simple. It's kind of a pain in the butt because we actually were at O'Reilly's when the car just wouldn't turn over. So, but luckily the locksmith came to us. So, so just some information regarding that. So, once again, this is a ignition new key for 2007 Honda Pilot.